so far we have seen how to evaluate an integral using the area underneath the curve. Now I'm going to show you how your calculator can solve integrals for you. I want to keep in mind though that these are definite integrals. That means that there is a definite area underneath the curve. In future chapters we'll talk about indefinite integrals, which don't necessarily have an answer, but the answer is going to be in the form of a function that we use to solve other things. So on your calculator, you're going to push math 9. So you push math, and then you can either hit 9 or scroll down until you see 9, and it'll say FN integral. That means finite integral. And then it's going to pop up with the integral symbol for you, as you see right here. So what you're going to want to do then, 3, 2, 1. So what you're going to want to do is figure out your limits. So on the calculator, remember that this represents A, or the lower limit. This represents B, the upper limit. This piece in here is going to be your f of x function, and this you're going to type x, which is your variable of integration. Now on your paper it might be t or s or something, but on the calculator you typically always want to use x. So if we scroll down to example 5, which says evaluate each integral using a calculator, let's talk about how to solve part A. It says we want the integral from -1 to 2, so you can see how it's blinking on the lower limit. So you type in -1, then you push up on the keypad and it'll take you to the top of the integral. Then you're going to type in the number 2. This means we're finding the area underneath the curve from -1 to 2 of x sine of x. So you just type in x sine of x, and then the variable of integration is x, so you push x again and you push enter. And we're going to go ahead and truncate 3 decimal places out. So you get this is equal to 2.042. That's it. That's how your calculator can solve definite integrals for you. So what I want you to try right now is parts B and C. Try to pause the video and solve those now. Okay, let's do them and work them out. See if we got them right. So we hit math 9. The limits are from 0 to 1. And then to make a fraction, I hit alpha y equals to get my fraction. 4 over 1 plus x squared. And then dx. And I hit enter. And it's going to give me 3.141. And then the last one, from 0 to 5, and then e to the negative x squared. Oops. So you get e by hitting second and then ln. We'll negative x squared, and then drop down to get to dx. And then go ahead and push enter. And we're going to get 0.886. That's it.